cobalt, rare earth, copper, tin, nickel, lithium, manganese, coltan, germanium, platinum. The End of the World, the title, is really a provocation, but it is really also a reflection of the sorry state of our planet, of the ecology of the planet. I feel that governments around the world and corporations around the world have been criminally irresponsible regarding taking care of this planet. So it is really a very direct provocation to trigger reflection, conversations, and thinking about what can we do now where we are at the edge of a radical change that will change radically the lives of the next generations. Basically, contemporary life is sustained by these 10 minerals. They make possible our way of life. Your camera, our phones, the computers, the electric cars. And these 10 minerals are rare. They're not everywhere. They are controlled by certain countries. And they are the object of wars happening now. And they are the object of future wars. So I thought, if I point out to this, I'm trying to reduce the complexity of this problem, of this collapsing planet, into something concrete. The issues are so complex that I didn't know exactly how to confront them as an artist and what I could offer my audience. And I came up with this solution, which is the contrary of what is expected of any artist working in that space, because this space is gigantic. But I thought, I'm not going to accept the tyranny of that space, of this gigantic space. And I'm going to take the contrarian position. And I'm going to show the most small object I can, hoping that the emptiness will give gravitas to this object, will give it its weight. The emptiness, the silence, the red light. And why the red? Red is the color of life, of blood. It's the color of love. But it's also the color of warning, of the stop sign. The love we should have for the planet and to stop killing it with our behavior. So those two things are fundamental to understand why this object, why the smallest object, it's only 4 by 4 by 4 centimeters in a 20 by 20 meters space. And hoping that this extreme contrast will give that little object its power.